Right, so I'm gonna explain the examples. Let's look at the first one. Example number one. Find the surface area and volume of the cuboid. So we're gonna find the surface area first. So surface area. So for a cuboid, you have the shape that has the 6 by 5 rectangle, and there are two of that, and then you have the 7 by 5 rectangle, and you have two of that, and then the last rectangle with size 7 by 6, you have two of that. So simplify each. So 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 2 is 60, 7 times 5 is 35, times 2 is 70, 7 times 6 is 42, times 2 is 84, and then add this up to get the total surface area of the cuboid. 60 plus 70 is 130, 130 plus 84 is 214 centimeter square. So that's the surface area. Now volume would be area of the base, which is 6 by 5, and then times by height, which is 7. So 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 7 is 210 cubic centimeter. Okay, example number 2. So this one, add also the surface area. Okay, so we're going to find the surface area first. Okay, so for this cylinder surface area, there are two shapes. One is the circle, which is pi r square, and there are two of them. So substitute it. Radius would be 6 square, and then multiply by 2, and you get 72 pi. So I'll leave it my answer in pi first. Okay, and then the curved part would be 2 pi r times by the height, and that would be 2 pi times by radius is 6 and the height is 5, and that gives you 60 pi. So add this up, so you get the total. So 72 pi plus 60 pi, which is equals to 132 pi times by, so 132 times pi, you should get 415 centimeters square. Correct to 3 significant figures because the answer is not exact. Okay, the volume would be the area of the base, okay, the cross-section area, pi r square times the height. So pi times 6 square times 5, and you get your answer equals to 565 cubic centimeter. Again, you round it off to 3 significant figures because the answer is not exact. Example number 3. A cube has a surface of 6,144 cubic centimeter. Find its length. So surface area. So for a cube, it has 6 surface. So 6 surface, and all are square. So area of square is length times length, and then you have 6 of them, and the total is given as 6,144. So we're going to solve this one. We're going to just divide this by 6. So that would be L square equals to 1024, and then square root both sides, and I get my L is equals to 32. Okay, and then the last one. The last one, it says here, value of the surface area of a sphere equal value of the volume of sphere. So I just simply write down surface area of sphere equals to volume of sphere. Okay, so surface area of sphere, if you look at the formula, and this dalam exam, andang kena bagi. So 4 pi r square, and then volume of a sphere is given as 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply 3 both sides. So 12 pi r square and this one 4 pi r cube. I'm going to divide 4 both sides. So here become 3 pi r square equals to pi r cube. I'm going to divide that with pi r square both sides. Okay, and then simplify, you get 3, and then here equals to r, which is what the question is asking, to find the radius. And so radius is equals to 3. That's it.